Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to re-wick this brass number 5 petrol lighter. If you like watching videos about how to repair old petrol lighters, then please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. So as you can see, your basic petrol lighter setup, file wheel with a flint being pressured against it, and then a wick. If your wick's too short, or in this case that one was just pulled apart on me as I tried to pull it up, so what we'll do in that case is go ahead and pull the wadding out and re-wick it. Which should not be a major ordeal on this particular lighter. I'm not sure about the file wheel, or if there's a flint in here or not. I'm sure it was that the flint tube was clear. And there was not. So we'll have a flint out here ready for when we put it back together. We're just going to pull the wadding out. Which in a lighter this size can't be too much. And it looks like it's all on that side going to come out in one piece. That's nice. A little short cotton wick, or I don't know exactly what kind of material it is. We'll reuse that wadding most likely. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up a little bit. I'm just going to take a little alcohol to that, clean up that dust, grime off the top there around the chimney. And that's coming fairly clean. Okay, so now we've got that all cleaned out as far as we need to. So we're ready to go ahead and put the wick in. Okay, so we've got that all cleaned out now. So we're going to go ahead. Not really necessary. You could have, I don't know. Should be fairly easy. Some of them it seems so hard to put in there, and others, you know, I did a Ronson here a while back that I didn't even need the wire or anything really. It just almost fell in it. So while for some of you who watch these videos every day, and I appreciate it, some of these may seem redundant. Well, if you can do that on this lighter, you can do it on any lighter, and yes, you can. But I still get specific questions about specific lighters every day because people Google it, and when they don't find their lighter, then that's as far as they're going to go. So I apologize if it seems redundant. I'm not trying to be, and I'm not trying to torture anybody with the monotonous tasks that are involved here. As clever and exciting as some of them may be, in the end, I just want to help people fix their lighters. If you have any comments or questions about the brass number 5 or any other Petrol lighter, you can leave those below the video. All of those things will help the channel. Commenting, liking, sharing. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Now we're going to go ahead and get this fueled up. And this little lighter will not take much. So we'll get that fit back in the base. For as basic as the design is, that's actually a pretty handy, except for you having to remove the lid and use it to put it out, except I guess you can blow it out. But besides the lid, it's actually a relatively easy lighter to maneuver. Until next time.